Not this
Hey guys, Astak here back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. So let's get started. Samsung Galaxy Note 5 is our 2015 flagship device. I bought it because I couldn't buy the Note 7 as it had those explosive issues. So I decided to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, and I have the 32GB model over here. So let's unbox it. First of all, let's check out the specs on the box. So it is typical Samsung box, the box types Samsung had with its flagship device in 2015. Yeah, I bought the gold platinum version. So it has 4GB of RAM and 16 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization and 5 megapixel front camera and a quad HD AMOLED display. So yeah, so let's open the box. So yeah, here is the Note 5. Let's get that aside and let's check what is in the box. First of all, we get this quick start guide. So getting that aside, we have this SIM tool, the SIM ejector tool, and inside the box we have the Samsung official warranty cards, and then this is the charger. Get this right. So this is the charger of the Note 5. It supports fast charging, so yeah, that's great. Let's check the voltage. 5 volt and 2 amperes. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy Note 5 does support wireless charging, if you do not know. So the charger, and these are the extra pen tips, I suppose. Yeah, these are the extra pen tips. They are the extra S Pen tips. And then we have this USB, micro USB type V2.0, a simple normal USB to micro USB cable, no USB type C. And then we have this Samsung earpods. I'll have to check them out. So yeah, let's get the box's contents aside. And here is the phone. Let's boot it. First let's remove the plastic. As you can see, octa-core 4GB octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM. So yeah, this is how the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 looks. Dual curved back and a glass back, which feels quite premium in the hand. The volume button and power button are quite tactile. Obviously it has the headphone jack. So let's boot up the phone. And the phone has booted up. Let me lower down the brightness so that you guys can see. Okay, so this is pretty much okay. I have skipped the bootloader screen, and this is how the device looks like. Obviously it has the dual multi-window. So this is the TouchWiz. Allow Let's check which Android version it comes with. It comes with the latest TouchWiz UI on top as a skin. So yeah, let's go to the settings, about device and software info. So yeah, it comes with Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. It has been upgraded already, so yeah, that's great. So let's check the camera. It has the 16 megapixel camera and the result looks quite great. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and I have unboxed it in this video. I am unboxing it in November, but I obviously uploaded it in between December because my exams are quite close and I cannot edit videos at the moment. So yeah, I'll upload it in December, somewhere in late December. So yeah, do comment down what type of videos you want to see on this device, and I will be comparing it to the iPhone 6 Plus. So other than that, if you want any videos, do comment down. If I can make it, I will try my best to make it. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for the more daily tech videos. If you want to follow me on social media, the links will be dropped down in the description below. Peace out.
I can hear the shots when the fireworks soar and the sound